morning, how are you guys doing? I'm gonna be taking you along on today's vlog, and I have made it to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, and I'm really happy considering, yes, it is my first time ever being here and ever being in this state, so it should be interesting. It's my mom and my brother is over there. Say hi, Greg.
Hi. Get a picture of you on
and
together.
We are at Dino's restaurant for breakfast.
And I'm getting a Bloody Mary. I don't know if I told you all that or not.
And it should be exciting because it's our first time. Today, my family and I are shopping for right now. We're in a new store and we are going to look around and sightsee for the remainder of the day, and I'm excited for what today holds. My family and I are heading to dinner and we are going to the Bonefish Grill, and this is the first time I've been to one in I think a couple years, and it should be fun. My mom and I are at the Bonefish Grill for dinner, and we were here in one of the joints where we live. It was probably like 5 years ago now. It was a long time ago. So it should be exciting to reminisce and be here and eat some delicious seafood.
Yeah, we just found out it's a chain. They're not individually owned.
We learn something new every day. So we just got our appetizer, and it comes with bread and pesto and olive oil, and it looks so gorgeous and delicious. My family and I went to the grocery store because it was definitely needed, and we got a bunch of groceries and had a great time at dinner, and right now we are just relaxing and still getting accommodated to the room and to South Carolina / Myrtle Beach in general, mainly because this is our first time ever being in this state and ever being here, and it's a new adventure for all of us. I'm relaxing at the moment, and I'm still getting adjusted to the room itself and to South Carolina / Myrtle Beach, considering it is my first time ever being in this state and ever being in this location. So it's a lot of fun. It comes with a lot of adventures, and my family that I'm with, my mom and my older brother, they have never been here either, so it's a fun adventure for all three of us.